students, how are you? Hope you are doing very well, taking good care of yourself and your studies, and hope you are making good notes because we have covered quite a lot of portion in the chapter nutrition. I hope you have perfect notes in your registers, which will save you a lot of work later on. So now, till we are going to start the part of nutrition, which is nutrition in animals. We have already completed nutrition in plants. We have already completed nutrition in smaller organisms like amoeba, etc. We have also studied the different steps of nutrition. For example, which was just to remind you, we had discussed about ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. All the 5 steps. All these 5 steps collectively are a part of the nutritive process. If these all steps are accomplished, we can say it is nutrition as a whole. We cannot say any part separately is nutritive process, right? So nutrition includes all these 5 steps. Today we are going to study about nutrition in higher animals like human beings, right? And when it is about human beings, you should be excited because it is about your own digestive system. And believe me, this system, digestive system, what you eat, how you eat, makes up your whole body, makes up your whole personality. What you eat produces energy. What you eat produces different secretions in the body, and all these help you to live a very healthy and fruitful life, right? So today we will be studying about the topic which is nutrition in humans, right? And human beings also, in the digestive process, they have a holozoic kind of nutrition. We have already discussed holozoic nutrition, right? So human beings also have a holozoic type of nutrition. All the 5 steps, ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion, are completed in the human beings. The system which deals with this whole process, which is very important, and dealing with all the, because if all the processes in the human body are interconnected, if you eat food, then that is the digestive system. When it is absorbed, it goes into the blood, so it is carried by a part of the transporting system or circulatory system. When then it is cleared or it is purified, kidneys play a role, the excretory system. So all the systems are interlinked. Today we will be studying this nutrition in humans, in which the most important part is the digestive system, the diagram. First, we need to know about the digestive system, how it works, or how it looks like. As a matter of fact, you should just know how it appears, right? I know you must have studied it in the 7th standard, but now we are going to study the detailing. And for the first time, just imagine the digestive system which you had studied in the 7th class must be a little vague in your mind. So starting this topic, we need to first know about the human digestive system. And in your biology exams, many questions are based on diagrams. Even if there are some questions arising कि अब diagrammatic questions नहीं आने वाले, अब हो सकता है diagrams exclude हो जाए, whatever, but no, the best way to learn biology is to learn how to draw the diagrams. Those diagrams will help you memorize facts very fast. I always advise students first to draw the system and then to study it. When you draw it, it will be very helpful. तो पहले हम जो आज पढ़ेंगे वो है the diagram and the parts of the digestive system. We will make the digestive system I'll label the parts and then later on we'll move how it works. तो जब हम न्यूट्रिशन की बात करते हैं ह्यूमंस और डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम की बात करते हैं, तो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम comprises basically of two things. One is the alimentary canal and second are the digestive glands. A gland is a part of a body, any part of the body which may be secreting some useful chemical, that we can term it as a gland. So there are various digestive glands helping in the process of digestion. So the system comprises one of the alimentary canal. If I say digestive system comprises of alimentary canal and second the digestive glands, all those glands which are helpful in the process of digestion. So first we need to know about the alimentary canal. See, alimentary canal is that part through which food travels. Food as a whole, in the physical form, it never leaves the alimentary canal. It passes through this passage. Various other chemicals accumulate there, help it to digest, and after chemical digestion, it can be absorbed to various other parts. But before chemical digestion, food never leaves the alimentary canal, right? So now let us draw a diagram of the alimentary canal. Right now, first I am drawing the digestive system. I am drawing the digestive system, and in the digestive system I would be drawing first the alimentary canal, so that you can get familiar with the alimentary canal, and then we will draw the digestive glands as well, so that you have a clear idea. So hope you have your pens and your registers ready with you. If not, I just wait for a moment, just get them ready. As I draw, please draw along with me. Always make whatever I write on the board, please write down in your notes. Please make proper notes, and hope you will understand better by my advice, right? So as I draw the alimentary canal, get your pens ready. For example, see, these are the parts which are not included. If I say this is the human face, so this would be the neck region, right? These parts are not important, but just to give you an idea. So we start drawing from here. This is the mouth, right? This part is the mouth, the starting of the alimentary canal. From here, there is a pipe-like structure or a tube-like structure. Basically, it doesn't go like this, right? I'm just here there is a space. आपको खुद को पता होगा माउथ के पीछे जो एक एरिया है, खाली एरिया है, जिसको बोलते हैं बकल कैविटी के नीचे, यहाँ पे coming here, drawing this. This is, please draw along with me. This is the esophagus or the food pipe, right? Hope you got it clear. This is the food pipe. ठीक है? I am drawing a little wider. पतली सी ट्यूब-like structure होता है, जिसको हम बोलते हैं esophagus. Sometimes this O is also not written, same thing. Or you can say it is the food pipe. ठीक है? This is the part which you all may be aware of, which is the stomach. So right now I am first drawing the alimentary canal. This is the passage, this is the way through which the food travels, right? And I am giving it a little space. Actually it is very compact, but I am giving it a little space. For example, I would be drawing the pancreas here, a little space so that you know which part is connected where, right? Compactly, if you want to draw as given in your books, that is also perfectly alright. Okay? So this. I am giving a little space. This is all very near each other, right? I am just giving it a little space so that you understand it clearly. Okay? Okay, so this is the stomach. Here, this is the starting of this is the small intestine. After some time, I will be labeling the parts of the small intestine, and this small intestine goes and ends up or is connected to a part, you know, which is the large intestine, right? This. I have spaced up a little, so please don't sit compact है book में, तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा space है so that you just understand it very well. So see, this is the large intestine, right? Hope you get it. Okay. So what I have drawn is the alimentary canal. So food, this is the esophagus, this is the stomach. I haven't drawn any of the digestive glands as yet. If you see, as I had drawn here, it was going like this. See, now I just tell the path of food. I'll just label it, wait a minute, but food enters from the mouth, it goes to the esophagus, to the stomach, then through the small intestine like this. I have given a little space so that you understand, right? Just to make you understand, I have spaced it a little bit. Okay? Otherwise you cannot say there is so much space, or to make it better you can just draw it like this also. There is not such a lot of space out there, right? Quite compact. Okay? So, excuse me. So this is the alimentary canal. It moves from the esophagus to the stomach, through the small intestine here. Then all this whole path, it is digested by various chemicals which are coming along from various glands or different parts of the alimentary canal as well. जैसे stomach खुद ही बहुत सारी चीजें secrete करता है, तो वो अपन later on पढ़ेंगे. So this is clear? Okay. Then when it is digestion will be stopping here, but the pulp part which has been created moves through the large intestine, and then ultimately it goes to the rectum and it is digested out through the anus. So this, what I have drawn, is the alimentary canal. Please get it clear. I have yet not drawn the whole digestive system because in that the glands are also included, but this is the alimentary canal. So I'll just rub this so that you get a, because see ये पीछे रह गया थोड़ा सा, तो अब इसको अपन डायग्राम थोड़ा सा और अच्छा लगे, इसलिए हम अच्छा क्या एक थोड़ा सा क्लियर हो जाए. So now you get it. The space as I tell you, right? ये तो बिल्कुल क्लोज और कॉम्पैक्ट होता है, बट हम अगर ऐसे कर देंगे तो हमें लेबलिंग में या हमें समझने में दिक्कत होगी. So I have spaced up a little, right? So this is clear with you? This is the path which the food travels or takes up as when we eat food, right? It never leaves this track. Food कभी भी इसमें से food in the physical form, जैसे हमने चपाती खाई, it gets physically digested in the mouth, then it goes to the esophagus, then it goes to the stomach, then it goes to the small intestine, large intestine, digested out. Only जो chemically digested food है और जो nutrients है वो absorb होके body के other parts में जाते हैं. Other than this path, food in the physical form या जो हमने खाया जो पल्प भी है वो कहीं नहीं जाता, राइट? फूड लिवर में भी नहीं जाता. लिवर से जो आता है वो इसी सिस्टम में आता है. कैसे आता है, विल टॉक लेटर. पैनक्रियास से जो आता है वो भी इधर आता है. फूड नेवर एंटर्स द पैनक्रियास. जो सिक्रीशन है पैनक्रियास से यहाँ पे लेटर ऑन अपन देखेंगे. सो होप दिस इज क्लियर. दिस इज द एलिमेंट्री कैनाल. नाउ आई जस्ट लेबल अप द पार्ट्स. दिस वन, ये जो है दिस इज duodenum. ठीक है, this is duodenum. Later on it is the jejunum, and this last part you can say is the ileum. And mind it, these three are the parts of the small intestine. Got it? तो आपको क्लियर है? यहां से यहां तक स्टमक, make it like this because then we talk about stomach. This is the stomach. यहां पे एंड हुआ, यहां से स्टार्ट होके यहाँ स्टमक एंड होगा. दिस इज द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. होल इज 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है, या एक ही ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है पतला सा, और उसके अलग अलग पोर्शंस हैं जहां पे कुछ डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर्स है इसकी वजह से है, और कुछ सिक्रीशंस होते हैं, बट इट इज अ सिंगल ट्यूब. ठीक है, उसके ये 3 पार्ट्स है. जो सबसे पहला वाला है वो डिओडेनम है. थोड़ा आगे चल के देयर इज अ पोर्शन कॉल्ड जेजुनम, और सबसे एंड वाला पोर्शन जो है वो है इलियम. एंड माइंड इट, इलियम इज दैट पार्ट वेयर डाइजेशन इज कंप्लीटेड. होप दिस मच इज क्लियर, राइट? So this, now this whole thing, ये जो पूरा पीछे वाला ये है, this is the large intestine. समझ में आ रहा है? This whole is the part of the large intestine. ठीक है, ये पूरा large intestine है. और let us label the parts of the large intestine. So this one, ये जो है, what I want to make it clear is this one is the cecum. This is the cecum. ठीक है, this ये वाला जो पोर्शन है, this much. So if I say this one, ये जो है small intestine opens into a part of the large intestine which is called cecum. उसके बाद ये जो पूरा पोर्शन है that is termed as colon. So I just write it here, okay? Colon. And this portion, ये जो end वाला portion है, where food stays for a bit of time before it is digested, is termed as rectum. समझ में आ रहा है? So large intestine के part, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. I've written these numbers because I'll write it here. 1, 2, and 3. Collectively make the large intestine. समझ में आ रहा है? Clear है? This is 1, 2, and 3. These are the parts of the large intestine. Clear है? First, mouth. I'll just label other parts also. Esophagus, stomach, small intestine, जिसके तीनों पार्ट्स है डिओडेनम, जेजुनम, इलियम. देन द लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन, जिसके 3 पार्ट्स है सीकम, कोलन एंड रेक्टम. the point of ejection is anus, but we get it is just a point of ejection. जैसे mouth is a point of injection, anus is a point of ejection. So उस point को बोलते हैं. उसके ऊपर का जो portion है that is rectum. ठीक है, that is a part of the large intestine. So hope this is clear to you. This is the alimentary canal. ठीक है, अब ये जो portion है, for example this, ये यहाँ पे mouth है, इसके पीछे का जो area है, here, this portion will be termed as the buccal cavity. It is sometimes also termed as the oral cavity. उसके नीचे ये वाला पाइप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर दैट इज द फूड पाइप. समझ में आ रहा है? दिस फूड पाइप. ये जो एरिया है कॉमन, जो बिफोर द फूड, सी हियर देयर वुड बी समवेयर द विंड पाइप. विंड पाइप भी होगा ऐसे यहाँ पे. तो इन दोनों का जो कॉमन एरिया है, वेयर द फूड पाइप एंड द विंड पाइप आर प्लेस्ड, इनके ऊपर का जो कॉमन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज द फूड पाइप एंड दिस इज द विंड पाइप, ट्रैकिया जो अपन रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम में पढ़ेंगे, तो दोनों थोड़े पास पास होते हैं. इनके दोनों का कॉमन एरिया जो ऊपर ओपन करता है, दिस वे इट विल बी टर्म्ड एज द फेरिंग्स. ठीक है, सो इज दिस मच क्लियर? दीज आर द पार्ट्स ऑफ द एलिमेंट्री कैनाल, a tube-like structure starting from the mouth going down to the anus. That is the path which the food traverses when it moves in the human body. So that much is clear. Hope you have drawn it. Got it? ठीक है, तो अभी मैं सिर्फ आपको, और ये ड्रॉ करना आना चाहिए प्लीज. ठीक है, so I am going very slowly so you can go along with me drawing it as well. ठीक है. Now what I do is I would be drawing the digestive glands which are included in this system. हाँ, यहाँ पे salivary glands होते हैं, वो मैं later on बनाऊंगी. जैसे for example there is a salivary glands here, एक टंग के नीचे होता है these portions, these would be the salivary glands. लेकिन two major glands are associated with the digestive system, that is the liver. One is the liver, and liver is the largest gland of the body. So if I draw it like this, this is the liver. ठीक है, let me make it a little bigger. ठीक है, और लिवर के ही साथ एक पीछे, इफ आई ड्रॉ इट लाइक दिस, इट्स अ स्मॉल सैक लाइक स्ट्रक्चर जो यहाँ पे मीट करता है थ्रू अ डक्ट. दिस पोर्शन इज बिहाइंड द, इट्स जस्ट बिलो द लिवर आई कैन से. ये पीछे का पोर्शन है, पीछे की साइड है. आई मेक इट डॉटर इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड. ये पीछे की साइड, ठीक है. दिस इज द गॉल ब्लैडर. समझ में आ रहा है? ये रेड वन जो है वो है लिवर. नाउ आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रब दिस पोर्शंस आउट, जस्ट मेक देम अ लिटिल लाइटर सो दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये लिवर है. और ठीक है, सो दिस इज द लिवर. पीछे स्टमक भी है, ठीक है. एंड लिवर इज अ वेरी लार्ज ग्लैंड. दिस इज द गॉल ब्लैडर, लार्जेस्ट ग्लैंड ऑफ द बॉडी, लिवर. यहाँ पे देयर इज अ लीफ शेप्ड ग्लैंड लाइक दिस, which also is very important in the process of digestion. This gland is the pancreas. This is the pancreas. So hope this is clear. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे जैसे अगर मैं बात करूं तो स्टमक के ऊपर से ऐसे होता है if I rub this out, you'll understand how it is placed like this. ठीक है ना. अब ये पीछे की साइड में थोड़े से I can again draw, आपको सिर्फ समझाने के लिए this way. ठीक है, going like this, like this. ये पीछे की साइड में है. This is the liver. Just all are very compact. ठीक है, तो अगर किसी बुक में आपको ये ऐसे नजर आए तो प्लीज डोंट से कि ये क्या है. इट्स राइट. एंड लिवर इज बाइलोब्ड, तो कहीं पे आपको ऐसा भी नजर आ सकता है. सो दिस इज द लिवर, दिस इज द पैनक्रियास, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ डाइजेशन. अब सी फ्रॉम द लिवर हियर, ये फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई जस्ट रब दिस टू शो. यहाँ पे जस्ट लिवर पर एक छोटा सा ग्लैंड है. छोटा सा ग्लैंड, ये छोटा सा सैक लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है विच इज टर्म्ड एज द गॉल ब्लैडर. ठीक है, गॉल ब्लैडर. दिस गॉल, नाउ आई एम मेकिंग इट लाइक दिस सो दैट नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड. दिस इज जस्ट बिलो द लिवर. और ये जो गॉल ब्लैडर है, इसमें एक जो व्हेन आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट or all the digestive processes, then I'll tell you what is the role of this and all. Right now we're just drawing the diagram. तो आपने gallbladder बना दिया. Here there are the salivary glands like this, you can say. इस टाइप से यहाँ मिल रहा है ये. Some salivary glands are present here. Just आपका जो ear होता है ना, I'll tell you when I'm talking about parotid gland, just here. Then there are sublingual which are below the tongue, and submandibular जो आपके jaws है उसके पीछे. तो we'll talk about that next. But the first thing is about drawing the digestive system. You should know how to draw diagrams very well. So hope you have drawn this. Now here I have made a small worm-like structure, right? This is the appendix, and we'll talk about the roles of different parts in the next lecture. But hope till now you have at least drawn the digestive system. Hopefully draw करना आपको easily आ गया होगा. First again I'm revising. First, the digestive system comprises of the alimentary canal and the digestive glands. Alimentary जो मैंने black में बनाई है पूरी alimentary canal है. Digestive glands जो red में है जैसे liver है, pancreas है. ठीक है. The vermivore appendix is not a gland. We'll talk about the role later on. लेकिन जो glands associated, एक तो salivary glands, एक liver is the largest gland of the body, very important in digestion, but directly food इसमें नहीं जाता, ये directly इसमें ये digestive system में कुछ secrete नहीं करता. We'll talk about it later on. So very important other gland is pancreas. It secretes pancreatic juice. तो ये glands है. कुछ glands जैसे stomach है, कुछ glands stomach के अंदर भी होते हैं जिनको हम बोलते हैं gastric glands. ठीक है. Salivary glands, liver, pancreas, certain digestive glands are in the stomach. Now you say stomach is a organ or stomach is a part of the alimentary canal. How can it be a gland? Stomach itself को हम gland नहीं बोलते, लेकिन stomach में various other cells हैं या parts हैं जो different chemicals secrete करते हैं according to the need and to digest different things. So we will be talking about that later on. But right now, what I want you to do is draw this diagram very well in your notebooks, and I would love to see your notes how you made the diagram, right? So you please share it with me also. ठीक है, तो आपने hopefully ये diagram बनाया. Wait for a few moments so that you can draw the diagram well. ठीक है, so this is again I'm saying the digestive system. Next lecture we will be talking about the different parts. I'll just keep in the next lecture. I want you all to keep this along with you. इसको आपके साथ रखना है ताकि मैं इसी में आपको बताऊंगी कि कैसे कहाँ पे क्या होता है, राइट? सो यू वोंट नीड टू ड्रॉ इट अगेन. What the best way to study is just draw this. अब buccal cavity में क्या होता है? On a chart you can write there. Best way to study. Draw the diagrams in your rough copy first and then make a chart. बाजार में चार्ट मिलते हैं, हम क्यों उनसे लेके आ जाए? Why can't we make our own chart so that we understand? When we make our charts, we understand what we have drawn. So make this on a chart paper. उस चार्ट पेपर पे आप ये बनाओ, उसके साथ साथ जैसे बकल कैविटी में क्या क्या है, टीथ, टंग, वो साइड में लिखते जाओ इन अ बॉक्स. देन व्हाट हैपेंस इन द स्टमक, राइट इट देयर. व्हिच आर द ग्लैंड्स, व्हाट इज सीक्रेट, वेरी स्मॉल. गॉल ब्लैडर में से क्या आता है, लिवर में से क्या आता है, पैनक्रियाज में. जस्ट पॉइंट आउट एंड राइट इट बाय द साइड. तो जैसे आपकी नजर इसके ऊपर पड़ेगी, इट इज ऑलवेज बेटर टू ड्रॉ एंड कीप इट ऑन अ wall in your house where you frequently go. और अपने रूम में या अपने टेबल पे चार्ट अगर नहीं है अवेलेबल अभी, तो यू कैन मेक इट इन योर रजिस्टर्स, देन यू कैन मेक इट later on in your chart. But best way to study biology is through diagrams. So hope you made this diagram. This is the diagram of the digestive system. Alimentary canal parts, mouth, leading to the esophagus, leading to the stomach, then it goes to small intestine, large intestine, end of large intestine, rectum hai, and point of ejection anus, right? Point of ingestion is mouth. This is the alimentary canal. The glands associated are liver, pancreas, salivary glands and gastric glands. Gastric word आते ही stomach से relate करो, ठीक है? कई चीजें होती है जैसे गैस्ट्रिक आप स्टमक से रिलेट करते हो. यू वुड रिलेट रीनल वर्ड विद किडनीज, यू वुड रिलेट हिपेटिक लिवर से, पल्मोनरी लंग्स से, कार्डियक हार्ट से, ठीक है ना? तो गैस्ट्रिक वर्ड समथिंग टू डू विद स्टमक है. सो होप दिस इज क्लियर, ठीक है? सो प्लीज ड्रॉ इट वेल. सो इन दिस लेक्चर वी हैव ड्रॉन द डायग्राम. Next lecture we will be studying what the different parts do. Till then, draw it, revise it. If the parts are clear in your mind, it would be very easy to visualize and understand what is happening in each part. Okay? Till then, take care. Thank you.